Hey everyone, welcome back to TCG Pulls, and today we've got a very special unboxing for you. So it's almost Black Friday here in Canada, and some of the stores, Walmart being one, check out your local Walmart for some crazy deals, is started up their Black Friday sales. So I managed to pick myself up 2 Pikachu V boxes. So today what we're going to do is we're going to give you guys a little unboxing of one of the boxes. We're going to see what's inside, and see if we get any crazy pulls this weekend. Now, I do have a second V box. We are not going to open that today. We're going to make today a little bit of a first for this channel, and we're going to give this away to a subscriber. It's a little bit of a bigger package, so we're going to keep this to North American subscribers only. And basically, I'm going to pick somebody at random that's going to take this home. So let me know you're here. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what your favorite card is in the set, etc. Whatever you feel. And please subscribe, hit that like, and the bell notification. And then I will be picking a random person, and they'll be taking home this Shining Fates V-Box. Alright guys, so we're all opened up. Did a little fast forward there because I didn't want you to have to wait for me to open up all this stuff. So let's take a look at what we got. We got a promo card. I'm going to leave this to the end. I'm going to make you guys watch if you want it. So we got the Pikachu Promo V that was in the front. Beautiful card. Everybody loves Pikachu. Again, subscribe for Pikachu. You'll be upset if you don't. It's got a beautiful holographic on it. I think I've got like 6 Pikachu Vs at this point. And then we got the big Pikachu V. I'm actually a huge fan of these big cards. I love to put them on display. I think they look great. And I mean, they're virtually worthless for everything else. Beautiful, beautiful. Now, this set I believe was on sale for $19.99. So, let's crack it open. We got the Charizard Shining Fates. Let's see how well I could open these. Oh wow. Surprised myself today. So, to start off, Eevee, or Pico. I don't even know how to say that. Nickit, Cacnea, Galarian Wheezing. It's a nice card. Yan Mega, Energy, Ball Guy. Everyone loves himself a Ball Guy. Team Yell Towel. And that's it. That was kind of a doo-doo pack. Let's get those out of the way. Oh, you know what? My bad. I didn't even realize the lighting and the color of the card. That's a reverse holo. Very cool, very cool. The Shining Fates packs open pretty nicely. Some packs I find from certain sets are a little bit harder to open. Q font. Another Eevee. Buizel, I believe. Yanma. Trapinch. Cramorant. Volcanion. Energy. Tropius. Ball Guy. Rusted Sword. Was it 4 cards in this? 5 cards? I don't know. I'm gonna try the trick. I'm gonna hear about it if I don't do the 4-card trick. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Let me do it properly for you guys today. So, Water Energy. Another Ball Guy. I believe I'm at, what, 3 of those at this point? Team Yell Towel. I believe 2 of those. Thwacky. One of my personal favorites. Grookey. More Pico. Strange how they kind of tried to recreate the Pikachu love with this Pokemon, I think. Spinarak. Jesus Christ. Weasel. I'm at the 3rd one of those. Rowlet. Pinkert. That's a hard one to say. Oh, I see a little something in the back there, guys. Pincurchin. I actually personally grow corals myself, so I love the water Pokemon. Corsola, Cursula, all those. Anything that reminds me of my hobby. If you guys don't notice, there's actually a fish tank behind here. And let's see what we got kicking in the back here. Looks like a hot pole. Definitely see a black border. Ooh, Crobat V. Nice, nice, nice. My lighting's a little bit off. And then we got Pinurchin Hollow. Not a bad pack, not a bad pack. Let's set these 2 aside. And we got the Dragapult final pack. Dragapult is one of my favorite Pokemon. I've mentioned it in my prior videos. He's definitely the toughest. Can't get this pack open. Alright, let's see. I'm happy with that Crobat. Beautiful, beautiful card. Got another Morpeko. Another Nickit. Another Eevee. Glossifer. Or Gossifer. Judy. Ooh, Grimmsnarl. Not bad in the last 2 pulls. Set that aside. Boss's orders. Energy. Thwacky. Gym Trainer. Floatzel. And promo. Oh, I wonder if someone snuck that already. So, here, let's start you guys out. So, not a bad pull. It was, I mean, a $19 box. I don't think I got my money back whatsoever. But let's see some of the pulls today. Pincurchin. One day I'll definitely show you guys the corals. Grimmsnarl V. Great Pokemon. I was actually playing the online today, and my friend finished me off with one of these bad boys. So he's going to be pretty interested in that. And he got me with one of these too. I got the Crobat V. I better look at it there for you guys. Not bad, not bad. So, let me know what you guys thought. Don't think I got my money back, that's for sure. Let's gather up these code cards and start giving them away. So again, like I said, Jesus. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notification, leave us a comment, tell us what your favorite card from today's poll was. My personal was the Crobat V and the Pincurchin. Again, I love the water stuff, and Crobat V is just a dope looking card. Who doesn't love it? So let's get some of these codes out of the way here. Sorry guys, I'm gonna be quick with them. You guys are gonna have to pause. And the fourth, I am keeping the promo code. Oh, that is the promo code. Well, looks like you guys are getting the promo code. Well, thank you guys for watching. Again, like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know you're here so I know you're involved in this contest here, and I'm excited to let somebody win this this box. Take a look at all our other videos, and we'll see you guys another time. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.